Hello students, so here we are with the question 5th of the exercise 4.3 of the chapter Quadratic Equations. So the question 5th is, in a class test, the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. So in order to solve this question, let Shefali got X marks in mathematics, okay, and also it's been given that the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got X marks in mathematics, then definitely the marks she obtained in English will be 30 minus X, okay. And also it's been given that had she got 2 marks more in maths, so means we are assuming, or we can say it's suppose the marks she would have obtained in maths be X plus 2, that is 2 more than the marks she obtained now. And 3 marks less in English means 30 minus X minus 3, which will be equal to 27 minus X. So here the assumption has been made that if she have got X plus 2 marks in maths and 27 minus X marks in English, then product of its marks would have been 210. Means the product of the marks in maths, that is X plus 2, and the marks in English, that is 27 minus X, will then be equal to 210. This is what the statement have been saying, right? We are just converting the mathematical, we are just forming the mathematical form from these words, right? So now multiplying, I'll be getting 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x is equal to 210. Now taking 210 to the left hand side, so here I'll be getting x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. That is, we have obtained the quadratic equation for this problem, which is x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So now in order to solve this quadratic equation, let me use the middle term splitting method. That is, I need to split the term minus 25x into 2 terms such that their sum comes out to be equal to minus 25x and the product is equal to 156x square. Okay. So the terms in which the minus 25x term will be splitted will be minus 12x, minus 13x, and then writing the third term of the quadratic equation, that is plus 156, which is equals to 0. Clearly minus 12x and minus 13x, their sum is equal to minus 25x and their product comes out to be equal to 156x square. Now taking x common from the first 2 terms, we will be left with x minus 12. And taking minus 13 common from the third and the fourth term, here we will be getting x minus 12, which will be equal to 0. Or we can write it as x minus 12 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. From here, 2 values of x has been obtained, that is 13 and 12. Means there are 2 possibilities of marks which she got in maths. What are those possibilities? She might have got 13 marks in maths, or there is a possibility that she might have got 12 marks in maths. So there are 2 cases for the mathematics marks which Shefali had got, that is 13 and 12. And if 13 is the marks she would have obtained in maths, then definitely in English her marks will be 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 13, which comes out to be equal to 17. And if she would have got 12 marks in maths, then the marks she would have obtained in English will be 30 minus 12, which comes out to be equal to 18. So means there are 2 possibilities for the marks she would have obtained in maths and English. That is 13 and 17 marks and 12 and 18 marks respectively. So this was about the 5th question of exercise 4.3. I hope this question is clear to all of you.